So a pasta machine here, what we've done is you have to fasten the pasta machine to a hot worktop so it's nice and secure, so it won't move anywhere. And again, on our pasta machine here we've got this bit here, this is for spaghetti, this is for tagliatelle, and this is for rolling the pasta out. And we start with fixed setting, so I'll show you how you move the setting, what's your that way.
So you pull it out and you turn it whichever way you want, and then what I do is I go 2 on each one, but I miss one out every time.
So you mean you put it through twice?
Yeah.
Okay. So then shows what you got to do. So this pasta here, what you got to do to start off, you got to get quite thin.
Yeah, you got to get it thin at the end, and then put it in the middle, and start rolling it and hold it at the top.
Yeah. You see he's doing that and it's coming out. Then we've got to do it continuous. So Kenzie here, don't have much experience in the kitchen, we're going to learn some today. Oliver's going to probably teach him some little tips. Alright, looking good. I'll try not to have it clump like that if you can now. I'll hold it this end for you and I'll help you. Okay, so that side. Feed it out the other side. You can help Kenzie, you'll hold that thing.
We've put some water in here, so I need to turn it on. Try to turn the thing.
Yeah, you put the fan on if you want.
So 13.
I'm about 13 on this, don't you?
Oh. And then I'm gonna, because I'm gonna make it taste chickeny, so I'm gonna put some chicken flavour into it.
Yeah, so this is a stock cube. With chicken, beef, you'd have to put any stock cube in if you don't want to. Right, and because it's got chicken stock in, you don't really put salt in, do you?
No.
It's quite salty, is that anyway, chicken stock. So when it comes to boil, what do you do then?
I'm gonna get my spaghetti.
So you've got your spaghetti over here.
We need to cut it still.
Yeah, it's a bit long, but you can put it in like that if you want. It won't make a difference.
I just cut it.
I need to cook it for, I need to cook it for
3 minutes.
That's 3 minutes, yeah, and then drain it off. So Oliver's over there, can't find a peeler, so he's trying to peel a carrot with his knife. Little tip there, can't find that. We've got Kenzie here, first time with the pasta machine. How you finding it?
Easy.
Easy. Well, there you go.